we guide you through how to convert an image to PDF on iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to open Photos app and select the image or multiple images you want to convert. Tap the share icon at the bottom left corner, then scroll down and tap print. Don't worry, you won't actually print anything. Once the preview appears, use two fingers to zoom in on the image preview and it will automatically turn into a PDF file. Now, tap the share icon again and choose Save to Files. To restore it, your iPhone or select apps like Mail or Messages if you want to send it instantly. If you are converting multiple images, just select them all before tapping share and follow the same steps so they can combine into one PDF file. So that's it.